Hi students, I am D. Venkatagiri sir. Today I will teach a banking. In a banking, there are the three types of the accounts are there. One is saving account, and the second one is RD, recurring deposit account, and third one is current accounts. Now we will deal with the RD or recurring deposit account. In this one, basically we have deposited some amount in a specific period of time. For each month we have to deposit it. Let the deposited money is a P, that is called as a principal. Next, the number of months we are depositing, that one, that is called the N. The rate of the percentage bank that is giving, that one, that is equal to R. Let's suppose we are depositing 1000 rupees for 12 months. So first month we are depositing 1000 rupees, second month it will be 2000, third month it will be 3000, so on it will be goes on 12 months. If you will take it to that 1000 common, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. So the sum of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 12, or we can say that one is N, that will be, the formula is N into N plus 1 by 2. So here the equivalent principal for 1 month will be, we are taking as P into N plus 1 by 2. That is here 1000 into 12 plus 1 by 2. So now the formula of the interest is a P into N plus 1 into 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100, because this is the interest is a calculated PTR by 100. So here P is equal to, as usually we are written, and the total amount will be taking as, and the 1 month it is, therefore the time is equal to 1 by 12, R, as usually R we are written. Now the total amount deposited for this one is equal to P into N. Also that will be, we can take it that one here 1000 into 12. Now at the end of the 12 months we are getting the value that is called as a maturity value. That maturity value is the total amount deposited plus the interest is called the maturity value. Now we will discuss about this by using of this formula. One problem we will solve this one. Exercise 1, exercise banking, that is question number 1. Here Mr. Goswami deposited 1000 rupees per month in a recurring deposit on account 3 years at the rate of 8% per annum. Find the maturity value. So here principal is 1000, time is equal to 3 years, therefore that N is equal to 3 into 12, that is equal to 36 months. Rate percent is equal to 8%. Now the amount deposited is equal to P into N. Therefore 1000 into 36 is equal to 36,000. Now the interest calculation. Interest is equal to P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Now substituting the value of P is equal to 1000, N is equal to 36, therefore N plus 1, that is a 36 plus 1, rate percent is equal to 8, by 2 into 12 into 100. After reducing, we are getting that one 10 into 3 into 37 into 4. Now after multiplying this one, we are getting 4,440 rupees. Now the maturity value is equal to amount deposited plus interest. Now that is equal to 36,000 plus 4,440 is equal to 40,440 rupees. This is the first problems we are solved this one. Now we go to the seventh problem. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit an account in a bank. He deposited 2,500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got 67,500 rupees. Find the interest earned by Mr. Gupta and the rate of interest per annum. Now let's see this one. P is equal to here 2,500 per month. Time is equal to 2 years. Therefore, N is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Now, maturity value is equal to 67,500 rupees. We have to find out the rate percent. And as usually, and the amount deposited, that as usually, and the interest calculated. Now the amount deposited is equal to P into N. 2,500 into 24 is equal to 60,000. Now interest is equal to maturity value minus amount deposited. Therefore 67,500 minus 60,000 is equal to 7,500. Now the interest calculation is formula is P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Therefore interest 7,500 is equal to 2,500 into 24 plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 1000. Here 2,500 100 division, that 25 got, 12 2 24 2 cancel, remaining here you are getting 24 plus 1 25. Therefore 25 into 25 into R. Therefore R is equal to 7,500 by 25 into 25 is equal to 12%. So the rate of interest is equal to 12%. Similarly, we will solve the another one problem, that is exercise 10. That is, Poonam opened a recurring deposit an account in Bank of Baroda 1.5 years. If the rate of interest is a 6% per annum and the bank pays 11313 on maturity, find how much Poonam deposited in each month. Let the monthly installment deposited, that one is equal to P. Time is equal to 1.5 years. Therefore N is equal to 18 months. Now the monthly deposited is equal to 18 months into P, that is equal to 18P. Total money received is equal to 11,313 rupees. Rate of interest is equal to 6% per annum given. Now the interest is equal to maturity value minus amount deposited, that is equal to 11,313 313 minus 18p. That interest is equal to, formula is p into n plus 1 into r by 2 into 12 into 100. Now substituting that values, p is equal to p, where n is equal to 18 plus 1 into rate is equal to 6% divided by 2 into 12 into 100. That after reducing this one, we are getting p into 9 into 19 by 200. Therefore, 9 into 19 is equal to 171p by 200. Now the interest is equal to 171p by 200 is equal to 11,313 minus 18p. Now 18p is a transposing to the left side, so we are getting 171p by 200 plus 18p is equal to 11,313. Now taking the LCM, that is 200. Now 171p plus 3,600p by 200 is equal to 11,313. Now after adding that one, we are getting 3,771 by 200 p, that is equal to 11,313. Now p is equal to 11,313 into 200 by 3,771. Now reducing this one, you are getting, that is equal to 3,771 by 3 it is cutting, so 3 into 200 is equal to, we are getting 600. Hence the monthly installment is 600 rupees. So students, in this way we can solve by using of the same formula. Remaining other 10 problems are there. You have to do that one, that is as your homework.